In this video, I'm going to share some basic tips which will help you make your lightning look so much better. Let's get into it right now. First thing I'm going to need is some white. So the easiest way to create some lightning is to come off the edge and just run a uneven fine line. Can work back over the top like that. You can see I'm just brightening it up. Now, being uneven like this is essential. You don't want too many really soft areas like this or rounded areas. Just try and give it a natural flow. If you need to, grab yourself a reference image, but this is pretty straightforward. So I'm still just brightening this up. I'll show you what a really basic one looks like. I'll run a couple of extra little bits off there. Okay, so you could just leave it as it is, and if you were going to do that, then from a bit more of a distance, just chase over your line that you've created with a softer highlight to give it a glow. And you can see how really easy and quick that was to create that lightning. But I want to make it look a bit better. So I'm going to go a bit heavier with the glow. And there's a reason for that. So again, just working back over it. I'm doing multiple coats. I'm not trying to hit it in one big blast. It's always a good idea to build up your coats lightly and gradually go heavier, especially if you're working on something like this, which is an aluminium composite panel. It's not like working on a t-shirt or canvas where the surface is a bit more forgiving. This could easily create a wet spot, and then the air can push that out, and then you've got a section that you'll need to fix. Luckily with this particular design, you can easily just grab the black that you started with and use that as your eraser. But you can see it doesn't take that much longer just to coat it slowly, bit by bit. Allow the air from the airbrush to dry the paint that you're spraying on. It's atomizing so fine that it'll dry very quickly. You can see now it's lost that look. However, I'm going to make it look even better by doing this next step. And you really do need a brighter glow in order to do this. Now I'm going to add a color to the glow. You can use definitely a candy color, something transparent. That's why I've chosen this Createx cerulean blue. I'm just going to pop that into my airbrush cup. So you can see I'm a fair distance away. I'm near enough to say 10 centimeters from the surface. So similar distance to when you airbrushed in the glow, and just keeping that air press down at all times. So I'm just going to coat over the glow using that cerulean blue. So where the black meets the white, you want to get some of that blue on all those areas. Again, giving it a couple of coats. If your colour isn't transparent, then feel free to add, say, a transparent base to help do so. And if you are going to use a candy, be sure to seal the candy colour once you've done it, using either an Intercoat clear or better yet a 2-pack clear before you work over the top with your white, otherwise you may have it bleed through when you apply your final clear coat. So we're getting a nice strong tone on there. See, I'm doing numerous coats. So it doesn't look that great at the moment. However, what you want to do now is come back in with the white and run that fine lightning strike through the middle. And work back over it and brighten it up again. You're going to get a bit of a glow from your overspray. This is a very basic exercise to have a go at. And you can see with that blue now how much better it looks. Having that blue instead of just having the white glow. Could also feel free to try some other colours as well. Just substitute the blue for any other transparent colour that you wish to use and follow these steps again. And I'll pop some links in the description below to the products that I've used in this video so you can check them out. So to continue your learning, be sure to check out some of the other videos and playlists that I've got listed here. And until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and I'll see you again very, very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.